Good afternoon, teacher. I am the student Johnny Warnizo. In this video, I will explain 4 case topics and syntax. There are 3 diagrams: phrase structural rules, lexical rules, and movement rules. 3 diagram explanations. What is 3 diagrams? And 3 diagrams is visual way to show how the parts of the sentence are organized. It breaks the sentence into case tunes, major phrase, and show their hierarchical structure. For example, boy runs, subject a voice, noun phrase. A determinate, boy now, predicate runs, verb phrase, runs verb. Explanation: these sentences are made up of the 2 main parts of noun phrase and verb phrase. Noun phrase include determine a noun, and the verb phrase a single verb. This is a simple declarative sentence. Sentence 2. The teacher will give the students homework. Noun phrase: the teacher, determiner plus noun, verb phrase, will give the students homework. Auxiliary will, verb give. The teacher will give the students homework. This sentence adds more complex verb phrase. The main verb give that takes to noun phrase is complements the indirect object, the students, and direct object homework. The auxiliary will help for the future tense. This shows how more complex 3 still follows logical structure. Phrase structural rules. Phrase structural rules and rules define how a smaller unit words combined to form longer grammatical unit, phrase, and sentence. They help building the structures of the sentence. For example, rules: subject, noun phrase plus verb phrase. A sentence is made of a noun phrase and verb phrase. Noun phrase: determiner plus noun. A noun phrase is made of the determinate and a noun. Verb phrase: a verb phrase, verbs must play plus noun phrase, and verb phrase can be verb follower be noun phrase. For example, the birds sang on song. For example, the bird sang on song. The bird noun phrase, determiner plus noun, sang and song. Verb phrase, verb plus noun phrase. A song noun phrase, determiner plus noun. Explanation: here it was employed phrase structural rules for these 3 fields. It was creating noun phrase out of determinants and nouns. Then it was building the verb phrase from a verb and other noun phrase. Finally combined everything into complete sentence. Lexical rules. Lexical rules explain how new words are creating or how existing words change their function or category. Example of lexical rules: affixations adding prefixes or suffixes. Happy and happy. Teach and teacher. Combining 2 words: book plus shelf, bookshelf. Sun plus flower, sunflowers. Conversion: changing word category. Google noun to Google birds. Room birds at room noun. Example: word room, where I run every morning. Now, he went for a run. Explanation here the same word run is used as the verb in the first sentence and as a noun the second. This is an example of the conversion where a word changes its part of a speech without change its forms. WH movement. Original sentence you are reading the book. WH question. What are you reading? Explaining the book is replaced by the WH word. What move it to the front of the sentence. This is WH movement and used to for question in English. Examples: possessive voice. Original John kicked the ball. Passive: the ball was kicked by John. Explanation is possessive voice. The object, the ball, moves to the subject position. The verb change for was kicked, and the original subject they moved to propositional phrases be John. They change the focus of the sentence. Finally, to summarize, the three diagrams help us visualize sentence structure. Phrase structural rules show us how to build in the phrase. Logical rules explain word formation and movement rules and let us change the sentence structural to ask question or add emphasis. All these tools, the deep logical structural of language. Thank you for watching.